Hi guys, here 5 plus 80 divided by this 8 minus 3 is 5 times 2 power 3 is 8. Now here this is 85 divided by this 5 times 8. Now this is 17 times 8. 17 times 8 is 136. This answer is wrong. As per the order of operation, 136 is wrong answer. Now we are going to introduce that order of operations PEMDAS rule. This is bracket exponent. This is multiplication. D stands for division. Here A stands for addition. S stands for subtractions. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions also equal priority. For this we have to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Now here, look into this problem. Here it is a bracket. Bracket is higher priority. Now we have to complete this. So 5 plus 80 divided by 8 minus 3 is 5 times this 2 power 3. Now the second is exponent. This we have to complete. So 5 plus 80 divided by 5 times of 2 power 3 is 8. Now we have addition, division and multiplications. Here multiplication and divisions are higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this before this addition. From this both are equal priority. We have to follow that left to right rule. Left to right is this one. So 5 plus this is 16 times 8. Now this is multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So 5 plus 128. Now 133 is the correct answer.